Welcome back, everybody. Draco the Juggler here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do the circular toss. The circular toss is another way to toss and catch the Diabolo. Instead of tossing the Diabolo up straight into the air, we're going to toss it into a circle this time. Tossing it from your left hand and catching it on your right hand, this is how the circular toss looks. We also call the circular toss the orbit, because you can orbit it around your arms, you could go around your knee, you could even go around your leg, or you could even go behind your back, even behind your head. You can orbit it around different parts of your body. There's a few differences from the circular toss than the regular toss and catch. With the regular toss and catch, I pull both hands apart and I point my hand up to catch. With the circular toss, I'm only pulling apart one hand to do the toss, and I'm pointing my stick downwards and waiting for the Diabolo to fall in the string before I make the roll and pull apart again. The easiest way to do the circular toss is to put both sticks to your left-hand side. Since I'm already, I'm putting it to my left. Raise your left hand a little bit higher, and then pull only your right hand back to the right. Put the hands back together, and do that same motion over and over again. What you want to do is you want to make the string tight when you pull apart, and then bring the sticks and strings together once you catch. And try to smooth out this motion until you have a consistent throw, which looks like this. To control the accuracy of your throw, it really helps to control the tension of the string when you're doing the circular toss. If I have the left hand pointed downwards and I try to do the circular toss, it'll take away the tension of the string, which makes it a little bit more difficult, and you have to use more power to pull apart. If I point the left hand upwards and I pull apart, you're going to notice that it becomes a little easier and you don't have to pull apart as hard to make the circular tossing motion. Looking at it from the side, notice how the string stays lined up when I'm doing the circular toss. You may run into correction issues if your string is not lined up, but remember that you can always recorrect the Diabolo by putting the right hand forward or the right hand backwards to keep it nice and balanced. This also works while you're doing the circular toss. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you to learn the circular toss. Good luck practicing, and I'll see you next time.